Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you know, say I recently covered the story, my people, Zine, and it's about the sad passing of a virgin, my people, of a brother, you know what I mean, who recently returned to Jamaica, my people, whose correct name is Michael Brown, and he was 48 years old, my people. So them say his mother had recently passed away, my people, over there in Manchester, Jamaica. He returned to lay his mother to rest, my people. And while at an unfinished place of people, on Thursday, January the 19th, 2023, my people, unfinished section of a house, one armed man roll up, my people, and take out this man 3 pints of people. I've seen where his son had made a comment under the video that I uploaded first on this, my people. And I just want to say condolences again, you understand, and to the whole family of this deceased people. So now there is some story that is coming to bombs for people. There is some breakthrough that is going on with people, and I just want to say big up to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who are doing some real investigation and who are making some great progress into this with people based on info them I get from close by people, you understand, and this is real info and this is things we can lead up where they can make a harass to the murder of this man, my people, who recently returned to Jamaica. Very sad situation, my people. So I'm going to read a little article, my people, about this thing, so you can get the understanding when I say, yo, it's a crack, and the full and shocking reason behind this, people, and there's every lead that can prove. So this is the full reason why this man was killed, because based on the info I get, he never have problem with no one, my people. Like before, you understand, him not a problem with nobody in the UK, but while he's there in Jamaica, my people, he had family problems with relative pertaining to stuff that was left behind. We are talking about land were left behind by mommy. You understand? That's how we are going for. So you own, I talk all the while, you can't trust them, trust no one. So let me just read this thing. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is investigating whether an interpersonal family conflict over property may have resulted in the killing of a man who has residences in Jamaica and the United Kingdom. Preliminary reports are shortly after midnight, 48-year-old Michael Brown, a resident of Manchester in Jamaica and Waterford in the United Kingdom, was killed. Police reports are about 12:20 on Thursday morning. Brown was in an unfinished section of a house in Miketown in Mandeville when a gunman entered and opened fire, hitting him. Brown was carried to a hospital where he was pronounced dead. Community services say Brown was involved in a bitter family feud over several properties which were left behind by his recently deceased mother. Reports are that the feud escalated on Wednesday between Brown and a relative when a heated argument took place. A gunman accosted Brown shortly after and killed him. Police have opened an investigation and are collecting statements concerning the murder. The investigators are reportedly probing whether Brown was killed due to the family feud over property. Investigators, police, good family member. Listen to me, I say. We don't need glass to see this, you know. We don't need no glass for see this, you know. We don't need nothing for look into, you know. But all we can say is we have some wicked, some dirty, and some cruel family. You understand? Some wicked, some dirty, and some cruel family, my people. Think about it. The land is there. God bless us with our land, my people. God land. You understand? God can take it anytime you want to cover it with water. God land. And we are going to kill each other over it, my people. We own blood. We own family. Mommy left it behind, my people. Whether mommy want to left this for who, I don't know if mommy make a will or what go on, my people. But this is what them say. everything I escalated from. As me tell the people, because I get information. You don't know when I gotta just come and say things. I've checked my people. And them say, this man, him not a problem with nobody in the UK. You understand he's a good man. People know him, people love him, people rate him, my people. Him not have no problem recently with nobody done there. But the family feud we are going, my people, pertaining to these land that was left behind by his mommy who passes away. The Wednesday, you know, my people, if you hear the article, you know, that's why make sure I read it, you know. There was an argument with a family member, heated one, terrible one. And sometime the people in the night after 12, who could have called him out this at that time, the people? Think about it. This man is not a fool. 48-year-old man in the street, man, my people. And if you call him out at 12, my people, in the morning, you understand, in an unfinished section of a house. What a setup, my people. What a wicked and vicious act. As me tell you, you don't need glass for seat. You don't need goggles for seat. You understand? You don't need no binocle lens for seat, my people. You don't need no magnifying glass. This dirty thinking, cruel family member. I want thing I can't tell you, you know. What you think? You think you're going to get them land, yeah? You think you're going to have them? Dog are going to name your supper. Remember, me tell a dog are going to name your supper. How you feeling in yourself now? You feel good in yourself now? You feel great in yourself now? If you know, say your wickedness we do, the cruel heart we have, you understand the wicked intentions we got. Make you do something like this. And take out the man 3 pints. All because of mommy dead left land. The man fly down in my people to lay the mommy to rest. You understand there's things that go on and you just don't know. And for sure so some family wicked. You know cruel some families maybe they used to treat mommy wicked and bad, my people. Maybe they never used to give mommy $1. And that this man, the overseas, take care of mommy work out in the snow over UK. You understand, 48 years old. And him know what go on with people. Maybe mommy not left no will. I don't know about that. That's them personal thing. But maybe because based on the fact mommy say, look, you know, my son, everything what me have a fear. And you take care of me the other day, no do nothing, they no help me, then treat me bad. And the man know, because this a sin thing who manage to set up this, my people. You know, you understand, I'm not going to say the wicked family squeeze the trigger, but the sin thing will manage to set this up. You know what I mean? From your seat to see a wicked, because it would only take a wicked and a cruel person to set up them own family. Can't have no heart, you understand? Can't have no heart, and who to tell say you don't want to take out you one woman too. Who to tell say you don't want to do it, because you want to fight for something which is dead left land. God land. What a wicked and cruel act, my people. A straight attack. No joke, no leniency, fire, torch, brimstone, every type of attack you get. You understand? Drop them and land them panic NEWLINK. What a wicked sin thing, man. Over in a Manchester, Jamaica, my people. The man touch down. The man fly down, my people. If he come laid mommy to rest, my people. Finally laid the mother to rest. And the sin thing they manage. Heated argument. Heated argument over the overland, my people. Heated argument, fight out for start, fight out for go on. The same thing, them there, yeah, them no connection, my people. A easy thing as me tell you, 100 pan a head, that's it. You understand? And this is what they do, my people. And take out the man 3 pints. As me tell a man and a fool, my people. Nobody can draw nobody out of him. A connection and a links. Something dry him out in an unfinished part of the house, my people. You know what I mean? And this is what they did to the poor man, my people. Take him out. I feel it, man. I feel it, my people. Now when me get all of them information, my people, I feel it. You don't know, so the first part of the vlogging, my people, you know what I mean? There was speculation, and we have to look on different angles and different side. We should know, so there was a hit. But we have to look and say, one day if Mike Brown involved in nothing with people before, one day if Mike Brown, you know what I mean? We all have to look into those things. But now when we do touch down and certain things to come forward, my people, then we have to look and say, Chad just sees it's a sad situation. Your own flesh and blood. Your own, you know, my people. Remember, man, watch Attacking Basta, man. Watch the vlog them, man. I'm telling you, you can't trust people. You're not just your friend, no family, nothing could have be your ma, your pa, your bra, your sis. You can't trust nobody, my people. That trust there, a long time it gone, it dead. You know how long Mr. Trust dead? Or mistrust, you know how long? It finished, my people. So right now, we don't have none. None. My people, big up on yourself and for the family, the real one them. For Michael Brown, all me have to say to you, my deepest condolences again. And remember, the shell is cracking. You understand? Justice will be served. Me know say cannot bring him back, him already gone. But justice will be served because this wicked family member, perpetrator, who is behind this, will be caught. You understand? Will be caught. And even if them not caught him, but God caught him. That's all me have to say. It's a wicked and a cruel and a vicious act. Wicked sin thing them, man, over in Manchester, Jamaica. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. People, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss of People. And just check below in the description for the link for all links necessary. You want to make a contribution to the channel, we also got the PayPal link below. Easy link, and you can make and give your support, my people. Stay safe and just continue to do the right thing. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attack. Peace out. Blessings.